Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and I'm just another review guy, and in today's review we're going to be reviewing Chemical Guys streak-free glass cleaner. Now this is a tint safe formula, so you can spray it on your tint without worrying about it coming off. You can also use this around your house, windows, your workplace, industrial use, but we're trying it today on the window pane. We're also going to be comparing it to your standard bottle of Windex that you can buy at any grocery store, using Chemical Guys premium microfiber towel to do the wiping. So as you see, we have a blue tape here. One side's for Chemical Guys, one side is for the Windex, and at the end of the video we'll show a little hack tip trick you can do to get even cleaner glass on your older cars. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and wash this front half with the Chemical Guys streak-free cleaner. It's a nice cool day out today, so not sure how this product reacts in the heat, but today it's nice and cool with clouds. So we'll spray the window down liberally, whatever, and let's go and wipe down the glass. Alright guys, as expected, it did take all the dirt off. It did leave a little bit of streaking, but let's go and buff it out. Alright guys, so we wiped the window down. There's no streaks after we buffed it out, but there is a lot of hard water spots, of course. Now the cleaner doesn't say it will take off the hard water spots, but we have some stuff that will do that, and we'll show it in this video as well. Let's go ahead and switch out our towel to a clean one. We have a new microfiber towel. We'll do the back half with the Windex. Spray it down. It smells just as good as the Chemical Guys stuff. Take the dry side and buff it out. Alright, Windex. No streaks, streak free, just like the Chemical Guys product. When you look at the removal of the tape, the Chemical Guys left some type of a residue on my glass, and the Windex actually had none. So let's see if we can wipe this off. So there's some kind of a residue left over. Not sure if that was just from the glass being really dirty against the tape, but nonetheless it came right off. Alright guys, so we used both cleaners on the window, Chemical Guys and your standard Windex from a grocery store. Both cleaners basically worked exactly the same, streak free, clean the glass, but we're going to take this one step forward and we want to get even a deeper clean. So I'm going to show you what you guys can do to get that deeper clean on your windows. Alright guys, so a little tip, trick, or hack you could do on your windows is actually grab yourself a little bit of your clay bar. You don't need a lot. Grab a clay bar, knead it out to about a quarter size so you can use it. Grab your clay luber, of course. Spray the window down, and you'll want to clay bar the whole glass. Now the clay bar doesn't remove the hard water spots, but what the clay bar will do is get that deep down dirt that lives in the little imperfections of the glass. Here you can see if the camera will show it, and we can see the black on the yellow. That's what the cleaner didn't take off of the glass. Go ahead and finish off the window since we already started. So once you're done with your clay bar, you can simply wash it with water, but I already got my glass cleaner here, so we'll do that. Once it's clean, you can finish it off with some ceramic spray like Rain-X or any of those chemicals for better water beading. Other than that, that was the review on the Chemical Guys streak-free window cleaner. Links for this window cleaner will be in the description below if you want to pick some up on Amazon. That is an affiliate link, so I make a couple pennies if you buy some product from there. As always guys, thanks for watching, and if you want to know how to get the hard water spots off of your glass, this is the product you want to use. So you want to pick yourself up some Chemical Guys hard water spot remover, a premium applicator pad, scrub it down, and it will take the hard water spots right off the glass. Alright guys, so the product you want to use to remove hard water spots is from Chemical Guys hard water spot remover. There's lots of other hard water spot removers on the market, but this is the one that I'm familiar with. All you got to do is apply this product with a premium microfiber applicator, scrub it down, rub it down, clean it off, and those hard water spots will be gone. I actually did it on a test on my whole hood to see if it would actually bring the shine up, and using it on the whole hood actually brought the shine out even better than just a regular wash and spray wax. So those hard water spots, get those off your cars, guys, and it will make it even that much better. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.